Hey you guys, so today I'm out here in the garden. I've got a few plants that I picked up from the garden center yesterday that I want to get in the ground, but then later we have to get in the vegetable garden and really start working on that. But I want to show you the first thing I'm going to put in the ground are gorgeous, and I'm going to stick him right here behind me. So this beautiful little flower right here is a Dahlia by Monrovia. It is the Labella Medio Fun Raspberry Dahlia. Let's see how big they get. They don't get very big. They're 8 to 10 inches high, 8 to 10 inches wide. Need full sun, and it will give some big, beautiful blooms. So I've got 3 of these right here that I'm going to put along this border where I had just planted my little quick fire, I think they're little quick fire, hydrangeas right here. And I've got some shrubs that I want to plant in front of the hydrangeas, and then these will kind of be in front of that a little bit, because I think it would just tie in really nicely with the geraniums that I have down in here. And then I've got the vinca planted out along this row. So this space I'll probably fill in with another type of annual or something I've grown from seed right along in here. But anyways, I want to get these 3 in the ground. This one is not looking so hot. Oh, now I know why. It broke off. Bummer. Here was some dirt that I had left over in my pots after transplanting my topiaries into the ground. So I just scooped some of that out, put it in this pot, but went ahead and added my biotone into this and mixed it all up so I could bring it out here and the plants would get fertilized while I'm using this dirt to help and amend the soil that I have right here, because you can see that I have a lot of clay. So my mystery rose finally bloomed, and just like some of you told me, I do think this is a Dr. Huey. So I had my rose die. This came up from the ground, and so you all were saying that this is probably the Dr. Huey rootstock that my rose was grafted onto, and I'm gonna agree with you for sure. It's definitely that red rose, has the yellow center like I saw online. It's actually really pretty though, and it's got tons and tons of blooms. So I'm gonna leave it for now. I know it says it can be very aggressive. It can get up to like 10 foot, I think I saw. And so it's not gonna be the right spot for the space long term. But for now, I don't have any red roses in my garden, and I actually think it could end up being really pretty this year. So we're gonna leave it. And then I've got this rose blooming out. And then with the weigela right here, I think it could be really pretty. Got the whole family just about helping with getting this vegetable garden ready. My husband tilled it the other day, but there's still a lot that needs tilled up. The raised bed for the carrots is what I've been working on. And my husband went ahead and planted out some tomatoes. And we're kind of just winging it because we've got a lot going on. Haven't put a good plan together really with where things are gonna go. I am going to go ahead and start sowing some of these seeds. We put up these 2 trellises for our sugar snap peas, and I'm gonna put those in the ground, but then in front of those, just a little bit, I'm gonna do rows of my lettuce and my spinach on both sides of each of these, and then go from there. I don't really know exactly what I'm gonna do. Again, not fully planned out, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so far in the vegetable garden, we have the trellises up for the sugar snap peas. I've got my lettuce and my spinach all planted out, and I'm creating borders on the front side of the vegetable garden right here on each side of me, where I'm going to plant nasturtium and marigolds and maybe some alyssum at the front. So it will be a really pretty flower border, but then I also might end up putting some vegetables intermingled with these plants. I'm going to see how far the flowers get me. I still need to plant out lots of other things. I've got cucumbers, I've got green beans, I've got carrots, okra, tomato seeds. We did plant out the tomato plants. So lots of other things I want to get in the ground. Guys, well, that's it for today. I didn't get all the plants in the ground that I got yesterday, so I'm going to try to work on that tomorrow. But we did get a lot accomplished in the vegetable garden, so super happy with that progress. I'd like to get more of that done tomorrow too, so it doesn't get neglected. But I appreciate you guys so much for watching, so I will see you guys next time, and happy gardening.